Hello Merseybeat lovers, it's time for another vlog. Even more crab apples. It's nice.
Nice, another batch. Make another lovely jelly.
Yeah. This is the time, isn't it, for...
It's bountiful harvest, isn't it? Because we're going to be picking more apples, eating apples, dessert apples today. We've got enough light off the back of our
it's just before 6 o'clock and the light's going now, so...
We've got about half an hour.
We have to crack on, don't we?
We do.
Okay, just picking the last of our apples. And although these are a dessert apple, there's no reason why we can't use them in cooking, because they're a bit small for desserts, but they'll be great in apple pie, these apples, or something, or maybe even juiced. They make great juice, apple juice. So even if the apples are undersized, there's no reason why you can't use them. Make sure your ladder's sturdy. Otherwise, bad things can happen. Stuff them in your pocket. Apples are amazingly delicate things because they bruise easily, you know. So if I was to throw that into a bucket or something from this height, I would spoil the fruit. So it's important that we don't bash them around, treat them nice and gentle, because once they bruise and you want to store them, you can spoil the whole crop.
Oh, I'd like to come in on that point, because you know when you do store them,
Oh, yes?
it's a good idea to wrap them in tissue paper or newspaper individually, and not let the apples touch each other.
It's a good idea.
So it keeps them from, you know, spoiling, and keeps them fresh, and keep them in a nice dark drawer.
That's an old way of doing it.
It's an old way, but it's a very reliable way to, you know, prolong the life of your apples till you're ready to eat them.
Just place them in your box gently. Don't throw them. You don't throw apples around. You don't drop them either. You place them in. That's how you do it. Loads of apples on this tree. Might be here till it goes dark. And it's always worthwhile leaving 1 or 2 apples for the birds.
Birds, yeah, I did with the crab apples. I leave a few for them.
We don't take absolutely 100%. There's no point to that.
You've got to share.
Show alike and give back to the land. That's what we believe.
Exactly.
Actually, looking at some of the apples up there, they have been nibbled by birds a bit. You do get them have a little taste of them. Our apple this is the last of our apple crop. Nice fresh apple juice, I see. Last of our crab apples. As you can see, the light's going, so I'm having to put the light on the camera so you can see stuff. Yeah, 6:10 and it's getting dark. There's a more mature Mitsuma plant, which I'm going to be taking some leaves off tonight for sandwiches. This was part of a mixed salad crop of seeds, so a lot of different leaf salads grown, Mitsuma, oriental vegetables. There are recipes just on how to cook this stuff, but I like it on salad actually, or sandwiches. Nice prolific cut and come again plant, it really is. It's, I love cultivating this stuff actually. So we've had loads off this for months on end. It's just the plant that keeps on giving, you know, and you just keep taking from it, and it's so hardy that it will sustain over wintering, you know. So look at that, it's beautiful. Mitsuma, it's part of the mustard family. It's a nice flavour.